guys, so far, ito ang update sa makeup ko. So guys, first time kong mag-eyeshadow. So far, kahit ganyan, okay na. Papansin ba yan ni Daniel? Ngayon, magbo-blush na lang ako, setting spray and lippy. Tapos, I'm done. Ito na yung suot ko, Batang Wesley. Huh? Ngayon,
Hindi ako nagpaalam sa'yo, pero nag-video ako sa alam niya yan. Tapos nalumabas ka.
okay. My eyes are done.
But I'm not. Bakit ang pwede ko?
Guys, I'm gonna cut my socks. Thank you so much for your service. Hey guys. Ngayon, Hey guys, ayusin na ni Ate.
Probably be a waste of your time, but who knows? Chances are I'll step back.
Ano ba yan? Ay, ano pala? Dito lang kami. Guys, shoes reveal. Okay guys, we're with JM. We're inside na. Si ate nauna na. Sobrang PWD privileges. Guys, we're inside. Oh my God. Sobrang daming tao. Guys, so we're inside na.
Sounds cool siya.
Wow. And sila nakaupo na because, you know, guys, nakaupo kami. We're sitting down. Hack lang para hindi mapagaw yung pwesto namin.
Oh my God! Oh!
Yes, I'm feeling good, right? It's never over until life ends. Back at me. Oh. If I am the sky, you are the sea. Staring back at me. I just wanna thank you. You help me see clearer like nobody else.
Hey guys, sobrang nakauwi na kami at kumakain na kami. Sobrang gutom na kami. Bye-bye!
We're gonna try the garden pudding. One, two, three, go.
Napagod? Hindi na nalata. Silent review.
Lipi.
Do you even know how to live that? All God's children. If you ever start to wonder why all the rain and all the thunder follows her around. You better cut that girl loose.
Hey guys! Update! Nandito kami sa Uptown Mall. Kakain kami sa 8 Cuts. We're hungry and naiinak. So guys, we're here na sa 8 Cuts. Dumating na yung mga order namin. So, kain na kami. It's currently so maingay. So, sa labas kami upo. We're here outside. Sa labas kami. Labas kami umupo because it was too noisy inside. Guys, like, let's keep it
Those people over there.
toned down. Guys, sarap. Masarap siya.
Gusto lang binili namin kasi busog na kami. At iinom kami ng tubig.
Butterscotch latte. So yun, ngayon, tambay muna kami here. Like, life. Guys, it's the next day. We're here at
Sa Tomas Morato.
nasa Jeco kami. Wala si Aliyah. So, nasa Tomas Morato kami. We're just chilling here. We're waiting for Ate Moy. Mute lang po ata sila. And not like that.